Hi, and thank you for joining me. My name is Steph. Today, I'm going to explain the different types of underlayment by Mohawk Flooring. Let's start with an introduction to what underlayment is, how it is rated, and why it is important to your floor. Underlayment is the thin layer of material that is under your floor, constantly absorbing sounds and working to keep your floor healthy, comfortable, and long-lasting. The industry scores underlayment with two ratings, an IIC and the SDC rating. IIC stands for Impact Insulation Class and is used for measuring impact noise, like foot traffic, moving furniture, things dropping on the floor, etc. SDC stands for Sound Transmission Class and is used for rating airborne sound like voices or music. Underlayment is a key factor to underfoot comfort, household sound absorption, and protection of the floor. Now that you have the basics behind underlayment, let's figure out the best Mohawk underlayment for your new floor. Mohawk has placed their types of underlayment into three categories: the good, the better, and the best. Moisture Guard underlayment is also known as the good option, featuring a great moisture barrier, solid sound absorption, and built-in mold and mildew resistance. If you are intrigued by healthy living environments, you will really love this feature. Moisture Guard considers the fight against global warming as it is thoroughly constructed of recycled materials that would have been buried in a landfill. How cool is that? All in all, this is an extremely budget-friendly option that will still provide all features necessary in an underlayment. The IIC rating is 58 and the SDC rating is 54. Now, let's talk about Real Sound, the underlayment that is considered the better option. While still budget-friendly, Real Sound offers all of the good features and more. The same benefit of moisture protection with an enhanced sound barrier. A great choice for homes with heated floors, as it is radiant heating approved. Real Sound underlayment is great for noise reduction, comfort, and high foot traffic. Real Sound is given an IIC rating of 68 and an SDC rating of 66. Lastly, let's explore Mohawk's best option. Active Sound by Mohawk is for the overachievers, dreamers, and those who just won't settle for anything but the best. While incorporating all of the better features, Active Sound encompasses the good with the better to formulate the best. Active Sound has the absolute best moisture protection with a patented sound barrier, providing one of the highest ratings in the industry. Enhanced padding with strong acoustics and density in mind for ultimate underfoot comfort. This keeps a home with active children, pets, and adults comfortable and quiet for years to come. Remember, Mohawk's Active Sound enhanced design not only suppresses household sound, but supports the most comfortable walking experience amongst all other underlayments. This is the best option for those who prefer to live quieter and cozier. Active Sound has been given an IIC rating of 72 and an SDC rating of 66. There is no wrong answer when choosing between the three. All three underlayments are the same thickness. It's the density, construction, and features that should be considered when making your decision. We'll leave with a pro tip. Before making your underlayment decision, ask yourself these three questions. What is my budget? Which is necessary for my lifestyle? Which underlayment meets my household needs? I hope this information has been helpful to you as you consider choices for underlayment. We'll see you soon for more flooring hacks, tricks, and tips.